Okay, this is a supplemental video on my V-700M, manufactured by Victoreen Instrument Company. And as you saw in the beginning of this video, I had a medical procedure done and I am slightly radioactive. It's been 24 hours after that video was made, and so we're going to go over some things on this. Mine has been modified. I have replaced the connector that was here with a standard RCA connector, and then attached a small Radio Shack amplifier to the side. This allows that when you turn it on, you can hear it without headphones. And now that's normal gamma ray background radiation right now. It goes through this probe regardless of what it's made of, short of being lead, but even then gamma radiation would still go through it. So if I reach for it, it should go up a little bit. Yeah. I'm not as radioactive as I was yesterday. Let's see what my chest reads. So that's, let's see, approximately 0.6 milliroentgens, or 0.0006 millisieverts. So the half-life of the stuff I've got is been injected with is 6 hours, so within 24 hours it'll pretty much all be gone. So I'm going to turn this off and show you the inside of it. Now this is how it came. I bought this thing way back. I was actually getting ready to buy one, or looking into buying one, back right about, I think, just before the Fukushima reactor incident, and that kind of ruined everything, because Geiger counter prices went through the roof, and this thing, which was normally $25 to $50, suddenly was $300 and $400. But I eventually did get one for a reasonable price. What you see in there is the circuit diagram, and if my base didn't get switched, which sometimes they do, then that should be the exact circuit diagram for this unit. On the side here is a stamp, and if I remember correctly, that may be, unfortunately it's unreadable, but I believe it means that it was updated. Some of these apparently had a problem or an error, or there was something wrong with them and they had to be fixed. And it has a stamp on the side of December 8, 1993. And I don't know if that was the last time it was calibrated, or if the last time it was inspected, or maybe it was when it was decommissioned. This thing uses 4 D batteries. Some of them require D batteries and a special B battery, which is a higher voltage battery. There is some calibration dials on the side. I do not know the calibration process. I have purchased Geiger counters in the past that had tubes in them, but this particular model doesn't have a tube, any tubes in it. It's solid state. It's all original, and I probably will not replace any of the parts unless I really need to. As long as it's working, I'm just going to leave it alone. It doesn't. There are other versions of these. One of the more common ones is the survey meter. A lot of people, like I did actually, mistakenly purchased the survey meter thinking that it's just a plain old Geiger counter. And the thing about the survey meter is that its starting readings are at a point that basically would be lethal. So it's kind of useless for just plain old Geiger counter usage. On the side of it, there is a check source. It's a small piece of some kind of radioactive material that you can use to make sure it's working. It supposedly can be used to calibrate it, but because this unit is very old, we're talking almost, well, let's see. It's about 60 plus years old. Unknown if that is an accurate source. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.